So when filling out a loan application, you can either find out that you're approved, suspended, or denied. Here's a couple tips to make sure that you get approved right away. Hey guys, Rich Farmer here with KRC Realty Property Management, and this is Mortgage Mondays. I'm here to talk about some of the mistakes and what could happen if you make those mistakes when filling out your loan application. So two of the top mistakes would probably be not getting approved, not filling out all the information on your loan application appropriately. When you fill out a loan application, that's called a 1003. And a 1003 is basically the loan application. You put in your income, your assets. You want to document everything. You need to understand that your loan officer is kind of like your attorney. When he's reviewing that information with you, if he sees anything out of place, he's going to reach out to you and go, hey, we might not want to include this, we might want to include this. If you have a good loan officer, they're going to coach you through the process of getting pre-approved for your loan. You want to make sure that you need to know what you're qualified for on the loan amount wise, and that's one of the things that happens when you fill out that loan application correctly. It shows your income, your assets. I know I've talked about in the past about debt to income ratio, and those things are important. Once your loan application is approved, or once your loan application is submitted, you get three things. You either get approval, you get suspended, or you get denied. So what's an approval? Approval means that you're basically approved for your loan. You can go out, you can start looking for a house, and that's exactly what you want to do. You want to look for that house. It's going to tell you what your dollar amount is, where you're at, and where you're headed. On the suspended, if you get your loan officer says, hey, your loan's been suspended, what does that mean? It's not bad. All it means is they're requiring additional documentation. It could be we need an extra 1 month of bank statements. It could we need a copy of your 401k. If you have rental property, they might need a schedule of rents that needs to come in. So suspension is not bad when it comes to a loan approval. Denial on the other side, that are basically saying you applied for a loan and the loan had certain parameters, and those parameters were pretty much cookie cutter and you didn't qualify. Does that mean you can't get a loan? Absolutely not. What you need to do, you need to find a different loan product. There's so many loan products out there that you can qualify for. So a couple of the mistakes is not filling out and being upfront with your loan officer. Those are the two things I would definitely recommend that you do. You want to be upfront with your loan officer, and hopefully you get the approval. Suspension you can work around. Denial just means your loan officer's got to go back to bat and find you a product that's going to fit for you. So I hope these tips help you out. If a loan officer calls you and says, hey, you're approved, denied, or suspended, don't shake your head saying, obviously I'm not ready for home ownership. That's not the case. You just got to find that right product. Rich Farmer here with KRC Property Management Real Estate. This is Mortgage Mondays. If you have any questions about suspensions, denials, or approvals, give me a call. You can find me at krcrealty.com.